Okay, sure. Hi, good evening. Good afternoon, everybody. We are Team panoRazzi, and it's made of two persons. Me, Lamuncha, from Computer Engineering, and Teo Liping from Environmental Engineering, which is the program manager. I'm the programmer. Okay, ideas of my application is to create an application that can let the students access IVLE in a convenient way. And our objective is to create an appealing, easy-to-use, feature-rich, and highly mobile Windows Phone application, especially for IVLE. Okay. Here are the basic features we have implemented. Usual features such as workbeans, announcement, forums, webcasts, announcement, student events, IVLE news. Others I will explain later. And there's a few special features which include multiple sign-ins. That means more than one user can sign in to my application and switch among them. Play webcast videos. That means when they can view the webcast on the phone through my application, and they can also view the workbin files if it is supported on the phone, like documents, PDF, JPEG, and zip files. This program is created using MVVM Lite Toolkit, and for the framework, and REST for the consumption of the API. Okay, now let's switch over to the application. Hold on. Okay. So this is the home page. It's querying for the modules. I'm currently signing in as, as me. Now I have a single user. Okay. At the home page there's modules. Sorry. There's announcement, which shows all the unread announcement of all the modules. Currently, there's no unread announcement for me. Okay. What happened to my phone? Okay. Next will be student events, which is all the student events. So I can click into a single one of them and look at the details. All the HTML is stripped for best viewing on the phone. The same goes for IVLE news. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's go into the workbin, the module features, which is actually the core features of my application. So the first tab will be this we call pivot item will be workbins. The next will be announcements, which is all the announcements. Just now we have the unread announcement of all the modules. Now this is all the announcement of the current module. Okay. So we are now in this module, okay? We are now in this module, so this is the announcement for that particular module. Okay, we can go into it, view, okay, back, and we have forums, which we have only one forum and 3 headings for these modules. We have webcasts, which later I will play it to you, and these are the others, like all of the details of the modules, such as description, module description. We can view, the details. Let's say lecturer. Okay, let's say, gradebook, but this module has no gradebook yet. Later I will show one that has. Okay. Okay, so now we go into workbins. Okay, in Workbench we have 3 folders listed here, and lecture notes folders we know there's 1 file. Okay, there's 1 file that we can open, and the my program will go down the folder hierarchy. Let's say assignments has 1 folder, 0 file. We go into assignment. We have assignment subfolder which has 1 file. Okay, then this shows the file. Okay, and now I can open the file. Click it. So the student can view required file on the go, not only on their computer, but only those that they supported on Windows Phone lah. Okay, PDF, documents, spreadsheet, PowerPoint, pictures, all of this. Okay, go back to my application. Okay, back. Okay, let's say, okay, webcast. Okay, we can play video. Click it. Okay, yeah. My hand is very, I think it's a lot of sweat today. Yeah. So you can load the webcast with voice, of course. Maybe you can't hear. Oops. Okay. So this is how we can view webcast on the phone. Okay. Go back. Okay. And now I'll demo how can I sign in as another user. Make it straight. Okay, sign in as another user. Oops, sorry. Okay, sign in as another user. So now this is the active user. Okay, I can add another user with a specialized login page, not those that is directed to the, you know what I mean. Normal, I think most groups the sign in page is directed to the IVLE sign in page, but mine is integrated in the application itself. Okay, so you can sign in. Okay, sorry for the password, I cannot show. Okay. So this is the user. I'm going to sign in, and I press sign in. And it is now the newly signed in user that is activated. Okay? It's now the newly signed in user, which is my teammate. Okay? So it is shown and active now. And if I go back to this, you see that it has announcement because she has not read her announcement because she doesn't have this app. Okay, okay, she has not read her announcement, so she can read it, of course. Okay, back. Oh, again, sorry. Okay, now I want to show you that my application can actually remember the sign-in users. Okay. I did that accidentally just now. I exit it and show that the sign-in user is now signed in also. And I can switch between them. Okay? Let's say I don't want her account. I want to sign into my account. I hold it. I press activate. And now it's me. And you see that the module is currently being loaded. Hold on. Okay? It's now being loaded. And yeah, you see there's no announcement because I have read all my announcements because I have this app. Cool. Okay, so now, okay, this is the feature. Of course, I can sign out her, hold, and sign out. Then she's no longer here. It's only me now. Okay? Yeah, my hand is very... Okay.
Can you get her
It's okay. So it's ending soon. Sure.
Oh no, I mean I want to know. I mean, I just
Whether it's responsive or okay. Sure. Come. You swipe. Yeah, so you can swipe. Okay, swipe nicely. Loading. Yeah. So up and down. Up. I guess this is the. Yeah, this is the problem. Okay. So no problem. Okay, now let's say I want to. Just now I forgot to present the forum feature if I remember. The forum feature, let's say this one. Okay. Work beans. This another work bean, of course, another module. Yeah, it is now responsive. This cable is evil. Okay. Okay. So you can see all these are all the headings. There are 4 headings for these forums. And there are 62 unread threads. Okay, I can load the heading, which gives me all the topics. I can then go into, let's say, this topic, test post. Who is the evil one? Test post. Okay. Yeah, these are all the content. This is the main post. This is the replies, and the list will go down. Let's find a longer one. Let's say this one. Yeah, we have longer now. Then we can scroll. Okay, go back. I think that is my app. Yep. Thank you. Yeah, these are all the webcasts. Okay, let's say I play this. Then it will be loaded. Okay, one last time. Yep. Cool. Webcast on the phone. Okay. Any question? Thank you.
Thanks. That was really cool because you implemented most of the features, right?
Yeah, I actually wanted
even the forums and the webcast.
I actually wanted to implement the whole IVLE, but I myself cannot do it in this short because I have my industrial attachment is just ended at June. I have only 1 month to do this. Yeah. Otherwise, I hope I can implement the whole IVLE.
Okay. You're using web control for the text, right? Or
text block.
Text block.
Yeah.
Okay.
I strip all the HTMLs.
Are you splitting the text blocks? Let's say you go beyond 2,000 lines. Have you tested that?
No.
Okay.
Unfortunately, no.
There's a problem there because text block has a limitation.
Oh.
If you go beyond a certain number of lines, it will strip it. So I suggest you switch to web control.
Sure.
Upload. Are you thinking of adding a feature to upload?
Upload actually I wanted to, but there's limitation in the first version of 7.0 because we can only access the pictures. Correct. That's all. So I don't find the purpose of uploading pictures by VLE. If we can upload documents, then it will be good, maybe in Mango or what. But currently, no. Okay. That's the limitation.
I'm just concerned about the text block because I hit that problem. So he'll hit that problem for sure. But in general, I think it's very good.
Thanks.
You did a very good job with
Thanks.
this. Are you planning to publish this to Marketplace?
In?
Marketplace.
Oh, no.
Why not?
Just published by NUS, I think. Yeah.
To be published by NUS?
Yeah.
What if they don't want?
It's okay. I'm planning to implement a API, .NET API for IVLE. That means the library.
No, they have an API already.
They have an API, but it's a REST. I want to wrap it into a .NET library. That means that they can access right in .NET. They don't need to use REST sharp to consume themselves. Something like that. I want to do a wrapper for, if I have time, a wrapper for the API. That means they can just use the object-oriented way to program instead of the REST way to program. Yeah.
If Microsoft wants you to publish this, would you publish?
It's okay. If I can publish it, but if there's no request, I won't publish it because I don't see.
I'm requesting now.
Okay, sure. I don't see it as a complete one because my expectation is higher for this, but I don't have the time. If I have a time complete what I expected, then maybe I will publish. Yeah. During the showcase, 1 more week. I hope so. I hope so. I hope I can add more features, which I have actually intended to do so, but unfortunately.
In itself, I think it's already very.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
So there's a lot of features already here, which I think isn't.
There's a group missing. Group, my organizer and timetable, but I doubt people use it. I doubt people use it. Most people use the forums, the work beans, and all the announcement, that kind of thing. But group, if added, will be a plus. Yeah. But okay, if you request, I will publish.
Yeah, we'll send you an email.
Sure. But it has a lot of bugs actually, so have to fix the bug.
So,
feature-wise, there already. Bug-wise, have to be fixed.
I have one question regarding the MVVM. Why do you choose this toolkit? Like there are lots of MVVM framework, right? So like, is there any specific reason for you to choose that?
Yeah, this one, it is presented on Mix 10 and 11. It's quite famous and it's quite light. So, and I heard good reviews about this like Caliburn and others. Also people use, but I think this one is the most popular one, if not mistaken. This one is most. Yeah.
So like, if you're using MVVM, do you implement like tests or this kind of thing?
Oh, not yet. Don't have time. Sorry.
Implement what?
Test, unit testing. Yeah, unit testing. I now manually test, swipe and swipe. Yeah. Unfortunately.
Do you use any behavior as well?
Yeah, behavior, messaging. Yeah. Of course, otherwise why do I use MVVM? I could have used code behind. Yeah. Any other questions? Okay, thanks.
Cool, thanks.
Thanks.